Today going to unbox this tripod. Let's unbox it. It cost me around 360. It cost me around 60. Let's unbox it. I already unboxed it to see inside how long it is. So it is around 7 feet. So here is the packing. Tripod. So here is the packing. Let's unbox it. Here is the. It is purely a metal. See, it is metal, and I had a tip to add a thread, and here it is 7 feet. So you can use it as a selfie stick. See, it will be removed and disassemble. So let's see it length of maximum. So it will open like this. You can also adjust like this. Its length. It will, when I stand, it comes here. See, here is the look of it, and you can also fold it. It is purely a metal. Can also, it will become this much. You can also use as like this spare part. This is to put the phone like this, and this also. You can use it single, like can use it like this, and you can put this as a direct, and see. It will be assembled like this. You can rotate. Here it is, the final look of this. This very lengthy, say 7 feet. So here is the final look. Link in description. You can also buy it from the link. So here is the final look of this. Make sure to subscribe our channel for relatable content and review. See.